welcome back to another Due to Life story. And today is such an exciting day for me because I've been wanting to get my hands on this product for a really long time. And yeah, after waiting patiently, I can finally say that I'm holding it right now. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Ayan, focus natin siya. And I hope that you're seeing it clearly. Ayan, so there you go. Ayan. And I've heard so many great things about it, and every time I saw it online or I watched videos on TikTok, I knew that I had to have this, and now, finally, I'm holding it. I have it right now. So yeah, I'm just so excited to unbox this and see what's inside this amazing box. So yeah. By the way, guys, I got this for 37k pesos. I asked my friend, actually nagpasabay ako sa kanya when she visited Hong Kong last week. So, doon niya to binili sa DJI store sa Hong Kong. And then, pinasalubungan niya ako, I'm so thankful, pinasalubungan niya ako ng 128 gig na SD card. So, ayan. But the catch is, mas mura siya compared dito sa Pilipinas. However, yung warranty niya sa Hong Kong lang din. And then, I need to add 3,000 pesos if, I want to include the international warranty. But I opt out na. So, that's why 37k lang yung binayaran ko. And then, may kasama pang SD card which is pasalubong niya. Ayun. The reason doon ako nagpabili or sa kanya ako nag-source is because every time that, I inquire sa mga mall here in the Philippines, lagi siyang out of stock. So, mahirap talaga siyang bilhin here sa Pilipinas. And then, when I asked another friend of mine na nasa Japan, ayun, unfortunately, hindi siya nakadaan sa mga BIC nung umuwi na siya dito sa Pilipinas, BIC camera. So, I think it's one of the biggest gadget stores in Japan. 33k lang kasi doon. And then, may nakita siya sa airport. However, she pinged me and I was sleeping during that time. So, hindi ko siya agad na-replyan kasi medyo pricey siya compared dun sa labas ng airport. So, ayun. So, that's why sa Hong Kong ako, buti na lang talaga, Arian, thank you so much talaga for sourcing this one sa Hong Kong. Alright, so let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in and see what's inside this amazing box. So, let's go. I'll set up lang this camera at i-focus ko siya dito kasi definitely mahirap na i-unbox siya dito. So, I'll just focus the camera dito lang sa Osmo Pocket 3. Okay? Let's go, guys. Let's unbox this. Alright. Ayan, unboxan natin siya. Ayan natin. Ayan, guys. So, ang unang makikita is, silica gel. Do not eat that, throw away. Alright. Okay, so this is the Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Actually, may mabibili ka din naman na Osmo Pocket 3, the standard one, yung standard combo. Pero the selling factor for me here is the mic, the DJI mic 2 with, windscreen and clip magnet. Kasi para at least, if you're gonna talk na malayo dito sa camera niya, maririnig pa din. So I think that's the selling point. Alright, so let's do it and let's unbox this one. Okay, so here, meron tayong sticker. Parang sa Apple lang, may mga stickers tayo. And then the paperwork. Ayan, tayo niya, the guide, Creator Combo guide. And here, what is it? I think this is the protective cover. Yeah, this is the protective cover, I think. Protective cover. Ayan. So, there you go. Yes, ito nga yung protective cover. And then here, you can also attach here the wide angle lens. Ayan, I'm not sure if... Ayan, wide angle lens. And kung meron pang iba ka pang lens or like the Black Pro Mist, you can attach it here para hindi siya nawawala. So, this is the protective cover. And then, now, let's open this bag. Okay. So, it comes in the bag. Then this is the bag, so you can see. Let's open it. Alright, so this is the Osmo Pocket 3. Ayan, this is the Osmo Pocket 3. Diba? Okay, and then we have this one. I think this is the handle, or like, what is this? The Osmo Mini Tripod handle, if I'm not mistaken. Then this is the mic. This is the selling factor for me. The mic, the DJI mic 2. Diba? And then may clip siya. What else pa? So this is the battery handle. This is the battery handle. Meron din siya for the tripod. Ayan. Ayan, meron din siya. What else pang nandito? And then, this is the tripod. This is the tripod. So, you will attach it there. And then, ito si wide angle lens. Ayan. Ito si wide angle lens. And then, like what I've mentioned, actually, easy to attach lang siya dito. Kasi once na inopen mo yan, tapos gaganon mo lang siya, it will be attached na there. And then, if you're not using it, then you can just put it here. Ayan. I think pag ganito ba? Or pag ganito. Ayan. Magnetic din naman siya. So, nandun lang siya. Ayan. Then, what else pa? Yung windscreen ng mic. Ayan. Ito yung windscreen ng mic. Ayan. And the wrist strap. Okay, ito yung windscreen. And then, the cable. Type-C cable. This is the Type-C cable. And then also the back. And I think that's it. And by the way, and that's it for today. I'm gonna test it out next week because I'll be in Korea next week. And I can't wait, to share this experience with you all. And yeah, this has been Drew. And this is another Due to Life story. Have a great day. Bye-bye.